So guys, look, this is the fried fish here. Look at that. Crispy, crispy, but very tasty. And this is the curry fish. I don't know what else, and that I don't know what that is either. But it is so delicious. The taste is amazing. I will eat and then I'll let you know when I'm finished, okay? So guys, I finished eating my food. The food was excellent, super excellent. Those fish, oh my god, those little fish, they were so tasty. I remember many years ago when we had our first business in Belize. We used to travel to Belize City a lot, you know, to deliver candles and stuff like that. And we used to go shop at the big store there, that because they didn't have in that time in Corozal, we used to go shop there. And I used to buy the can of sardines that they were actually cooked in green beans, not beans that we are used of, not for the rice and beans, guys, like soybeans, you know. And it was delicious. They were very small and they were whole also with the bones, and they were excellent. And that reminded me of this over the white rice. I wish the rice was coconut, that would be perfect, but it was just plain rice. And next time I'm going to be ordering the same thing, but 4 fish, not just 2, because they give me 2 and I think it's a little too little, too little. So I'm going to be ordering 2. I will come earlier because I think that was the last bit of the fish. So I just wanted to let you know that this place is excellent and is close by, almost across the street from our hotel. So we're going to be eating a lot more on this side. So guys, we will be walking down into the city because I have to do laundry. Because I have a lot of clothes to do, you know. Actually, I have it here with me. See, it's right here. And yeah, I need to do laundry since we're going to be here maybe for 2 more days probably. Not 100% sure. I'm having my famous black coffee. Excellent coffee also. I wish it was a little bit more strong, but you know, that's how they make it here. So I will put it here. Finish?
Yeah, finished. Thank you. Yeah, very good.
It was excellent, guys. And to my surprise, we ate fish and there was no flies here. You notice?
No flies. Yeah.
Yeah. It's weird because usually when you eat fish, you know, usually the flies that come around. I haven't seen any. That's a very good sign. So that's very good sign. Okay guys, so I'll finish my coffee and then I will show you where the laundromat is, okay? Don't go away. Guys, like a good Belizean, I was starving for plantain and I brought my own plantains and I told the lady to fry it for me. Look at it, and she did. So I'm going to enjoy it with my white rice and fried fish. You see, I am starving for Belizean food, guys, and this will be my version of my, you know, my Belizean food. I cannot get Belizean food here. Maybe on the future when we start moving to other places, maybe we'll get a place to stay with a kitchen, you know, and then I could be able to cook our own food. So, but I did not cook for 2 months now. 2 months I've been on the go and just been eating whatever people have. Yeah, thank you. Woo. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Whoa. Dumpy Bloods grab the best fish, you saw? Right away he grabs it.
You want this one?
No, it's okay. He's like the eagles. He grabs the bigger ones. Wow, that looks delicious. Look at this, guys. This is like meal for kings. So beautiful. Wow. Perfect. I will see you in a little bit, okay, guys? I'm gonna eat because I like my rice that is steaming like that. Really hot. I enjoy that. I will see you in the next one. Not in the next one. In a little bit, okay? Don't go away. Hello, guys. It's the following day. I am going to go pick up my laundry. They said at midday it's gonna be finished, but
Come on, let's see that. Come.
okay. So yeah, we're gonna get the laundry. She wants us to see something here. Hello. Hi. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Douglas, you go. You like that. Beautiful work.
See the handmade ones.
Wow, look at that work. Go there. This is more like his style of vlogging, not mine one. You go. Careful, don't step on nothing there. Hi. It's so beautiful. So pretty, guys. It's so pretty. Look at me. I have my Punjabi suit. And yeah, we're going to go pick up the laundry right now. They told me at, let me fix this camera. They told me at midday, but we ate a very late, very late lunch, breakfast, like a brunch, and so we're going to go and pick it up now. It's really hot today, very hot day. So they have beautiful work here. You will see it on Dogpy Vlogs video. That's what he loves to do, you know. That's more his style. I don't do that. I don't do that. Go into people's thing and show what they do, you know, like woodwork and stuff like that. At factories, I don't. So I just show you around what calls my attention, and I love the work also that they do. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, but it's not my style. I don't know nothing about carpentry or stuff like that. I just admire it and I buy it and I sit on them and enjoy the furniture in the houses, you know. But that's about it. So this is beautiful Cochin or Cochin. It has two different names because of the English, the British, you know, they change it. So they change it back, the government changed it back. So some they call it Cochin, others Cochin. So you decide which one you like, and it's the same place. Very beautiful. Very lots of Christians here, guys. There's many churches, Catholic churches, and they actually eat beef. They do eat beef. I haven't had beef yet. From ever since I came to India, I have not eaten beef. I don't think I will ever eat beef again. After petting all those beautiful cows and seeing them so pretty, you know, I don't think I'll ever eat beef again. I am saying it now, maybe many years from now, but I doubt it. So I am thinking of going just vegetarian and fish only. Not even chicken. I will not eat chicken, or maybe egg, maybe not. But we'll see. Dogpy Vlog says that's the first sign of insanity. You guys let me know if it's true. Oh, I want to sneeze. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna try not to sneeze, guys, because here the spices are so strong that you have to sneeze when they're frying something or cooking something, because it's very powerful. So I believe someone is frying something around here, and it's really strong. The peppers, you know, very strong. So I will be seeing you in a little bit. Dogpy Vlogs is making his vlog back there, and I am just right here waiting for him because I get out of his way. So guys, we are finished with our laundry, 540 rupees. So I give him 150 because I don't have change, and I told him just keep it. He didn't have change either, just 10 rupees more. So we're going back to the room. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, sure.
So guys, see, I have on makeup. Look at that. I feel strange with makeup. So we're going to go take the bag back because, you know, you can go with a big bag. Man, it's so hot today. I am just sweating. Actually, humidity is a killer today. Humidity is really bad. And I'm wearing my Punjabi suit. I think it's not the best for the heat because I'm not used of it. It's pretty very thin cloth material, you know, but it's so many things that you have to have a pants and the thing that goes on top of the pants, and hello, and then you have to have this. See, it's like a shawl. This one it comes in very handy if you are going to the temple, because you have to cover your head, you know, your hair. So also, if you want to dry your hands, I dry my hands on it also in case when I wash my hands and so on, you know. Or if you are a little cold, you put it over your shoulders, and etc, etc. So many things that you have used of that. I forgot the name of it. I knew it, parka or parda or something like that. It's called, I'm going to put it right here on the description so you guys know the name of it. And it comes in very handy. Actually, I think I want that ice cream, guys. With this heat, ice cream would be perfect. Hey, I'm just sweating like, not like a dog, because dogs don't sweat. I am just sweating. See, this is India, guys. Come to India. India is beautiful. Very, very beautiful.